there's not food in there.
Thank you for helping
This is on the box.
Huh?
Thank you for helping me.
Oh, you're welcome, Mila. You're very polite. Huh?
Don't drop.
We're not gonna drop her. Just like that. There, she's up in here. Relax. There you go, buddy. Dean, go like this with your arms. Open up and let her get in your lap.
Chewing on his pants.
Oh, she's not. Okay, hold your legs like this. Buddy. Buddy.
Good girl.
Good girl. Good girl.
I didn't want
There
to jump
you go.
in his face.
Tell us when you're done. She's just talking to you. See, she's sweet, huh? You gotta move slow though. She's very tiny.
Okay.
Uh-oh. You did good, buddy. Toy that you gave her.
And she liked me.
In the shade. The one stuck
She
in
does
the
like her sister.
Come here, buddy. Come here. Oh, no. You're so
Here, Dean.
cute.
Dean.
Who's a sweet girl? Who's a sweet girl? Oh, little booty scratch. Oh, booty scratch. Oh, you got it. She got her too.
She got it? She reached it.
Call her, Dean.
Go, but instantly.
She'll
Hey, Dean.
probably never reach
Go like this.
it
Go, Aunt Putty, Aunt
ever
Putty.
again, 'cause she's so, gonna be
Keep it low.
Grandpa,
Yeah?
Aunt Putty was fighting on there.
She was. Oh, we gotta stop her from that. Thanks for telling me.
Yeah, she licked it. Okay, good. It's better than teeth.
Look, now she's got that. That's better, huh? Putty's on the outside. Mila's on the inside.
Safe.
This is how you go.
Oh! Dean. Dean.
Oh, that was cute, huh, Dean?
Probably still tired.
Uh-huh. Water.
I want some water.
You can do? Okay.
The puppy needs some water.
Oh,
Yeah.
What's on her nose?
piece of grass.
No, little nose, you're so cute. Oh. And Puddy. She's not coming.
She's very tired,
Dean, can you
Dean.
make
There
it
she
this
comes.
way?
Huh?
Don't panic.
Can you do this way?
Don't panic.
That's the last thing you want to do with a
yeah,
puppy.
she's-
Oh my goodness.
That's a grandpa.
Good job, Mila. You're strong.
Do it gentle, Dean, because her belly's soft.
She likes it. Oh, she likes it.
Yeah, she.
Good girl. She's biting so gently in the air.
Where does she poo?
Out her, there, underneath where her tail is, there's a little.
Oh, sorry. You all
spot.
right?
Yeah.
It's going to lay when we
Oh, here, Dean. Here's how small her poopy is. Here's her poop. You want her poop? Poop. Here. Wait, let me stick it in your pocket. Okay, there you go. I know, I was joking. I'm hot.
No, I'm burnt.
Let's go wash something.
Let's go get some water for
You
Putty.
guys are going home because you guys gotta avoid traffic.
I got you.
Putty.
I got you.
Putty.
Here.
Whoa, did you see that twirl? Like, whoa.
Sometimes she jumps like
Yes, I
really
know.
high.
She flung herself backward
Okay.
when I was holding her. She's like,
She had a spaz. Uh-oh. What are you doing over there?
Come on. Look at this. Look at this.
Good girl. Get her, Putty. Get her. Get her.
Come on. You go. Go get it.
Good girl.
Good girl.
Good girl. You did it.
Go back.
Hi. Whoa. What's in here, buddy? What's in there? There you are.
Oh.
She got two of them. Whoa. Good girl.
That was funny.
You're so cute.
That was funny.
Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. What's that tag? You see the tag? Oh. Hey, good girl.
Oh, she just did a flip.
Whoa.
You were motoring.
Getting tired. Nope. Wow.
She's gone.
Go, sweetie. Go get that.
Oh.
Oh, hey. Hey. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it.
You are very energetic.
Yep.
Glad you're tiny.
See this chew? That's from a dog before you, not our dog. Somebody else's dog. Oh, she's snuggling. She's going to bed.
How did you get so dirty?
Now she's going to bed.
I don't know. I guess you're done.
Because it's warm.
Say goodbye to everyone.
Good night, Aunt Puddy.
Say goodbye to everyone.
Did you have a good day?
I think she did.
Time to clean.
All right, Aunt Putty.
You know why she cleans her paws like Jerry? That's so
Oh.
weird. Oh, you
All
are
right,
so
Aunt
cute.
Putty. Say enjoy your puppy life.
Look at how little
You are
she is.
cute.
Yeah.
I will say you are cute. She's only this big.
Uh-huh.
Like this big, guys.
I know.
This camera makes her look 2 times
Huge.
bigger than she is.
But really, I mean, look, my hand's on her and she's
She's tiny.
so tiny and dirty. So
All right.
dirty now. She's exhausted.
I think she's done.
I wish we could go to
think
sleep
she's
right
done. Good
now.
girl.
It's only like 6 o'clock or something, right?
Yeah.
How are we going to go to bed this early? We need to take
We'll just-
advantage of this.
We'll just figure it out. All right. EYL.